The inspiration behind Wayfinder was focusing more on the everyday aspect of travel, less on more of the travel-intensive type situations that we have in more of our product line at Eagle Creek, and just focus on something that somebody would want to wear every day.
We really try to choose materials and fabrics that make the least amount of impact on the environment. The main fabric is sustainable from the mill, the dye house, and the finishing house. The bottom fabric is recycled material, which is a plastic and is being removed from the landfills.
We put a lot of thought into the ergonomics of Wayfinder, specifically developing newer strap profiles that address the needs of both male and female and how they carry backpacks, which I think makes for, in the end, a really comfortable backpack. One of the coolest features on Wayfinder is a tech protection pocket. It's located behind the back panel of the backpacks to keep everything inside of it secure. You could even route a power cable from your power bank up through the top of the bag to be able to charge a device while you're holding it in your hand. My favorite feature on the Wayfinder is in the larger backpacks, there is a wet-dry pocket on the front that has a built-in mono-mesh vent towards the bottom of the pocket and allows you to put kind of some nasty, grimy, dirty, wet stuff in there and keep it separate from the rest of the contents of the bag. What I'm most proud of with Wayfinder backpacks is it's just a really functional bag. Super comfortable, tons of organization, works great in an everyday travel situation, works great on a day hike, and it just looks cool. It's something I'd really want to rock as my everyday bag.